Good day, fellow South Africans and communists of this world. So for this video, our comrade Julius Malema have insisted that all communists in South Africa should please remember and celebrate the life of Vladimir Lenin. So for those of you who do not know Vladimir Lenin, he is the father or the founder of socialism and communism in Russia. One of his biggest achievements during his reign in Russia was starving 5 million Ukrainians to death. So please remember, comrades, you need to commemorate this, you need to remember it, and remember, this is a principle that South Africa must be governed on. The principles of Vladimir Lenin. And if you don't do that, okay, we're going to send you to the BEE gods. So, on a serious note, the next article, which is absolutely flabbergasting me, is this new... So, basically what the government has done regarding the labor laws since the 25th of January is that they have upped the quotas for various management levels, as well as upping the BEE levels percentages of the common technical worker as well. So the example I'll give you is lower technical position. They reckon that 95% of that specific category needs to be filled by previously disadvantaged or black, Indian and colored workers. So leaving only 5% space for white people. So unfortunately, if you are white, you're going to have a hard time coming the next 5 years. Luckily, the government was so nice that they are giving businesses 5 years to comply with this. And if businesses do not comply, they need to pay a fine of 2% of their net turnover. So absolutely crazy. They could have just made it 100%. Just tell white South Africans you're not allowed to work, because that's effectively what you're doing. Just stop fucking around, comrades, and just tell white people, fuck you. You're not allowed to work anymore. Let's make it 100% BEE, because you are basically destroying the economy with your new laws and regulations and acts. Foreign businesses are not going to accept this. Foreign businesses won't be able to comply with this. And even if they were able to comply, believe me, your 50% matrix cannot do the jobs that needs to be done. 50%ers will just not cut. It won't work. So comrades, please remember, 95% must be employed, BEE. And remember, Vladimir Lenin, he is your hero. God bless.